Hi, I am Karen from Karen Clark Creations and Artsy Introvert. In this video, I'll be working on Friends Season 2, Episode 7, the one where Ross finds out. In this episode, Ross and Julie decide to take the leap together to get a cat. That's a big step for a couple early in a relationship. So Ross asks Monica if he can come over and get some cat toys, and she says only if you say his whole name. So Ross replies, "Can I come over tomorrow to pick up Fluffy Meowington's cat toys?" So here are Fluffy Meowington's cat toys. Spoiler alert, Ross and Julie don't get a cat. I decided for this one, I was looking back at some pages that I painted for season 1, and I really liked the ones where I painted in a background, and I'm not going to do this for all of them, but I think I need to do it for a handful of them, like on each spread, because it really made it seem like the paintings came together. So I'm going to add a nice little background to this one, and then I'm going to choose some cheerful colors for Fluffy Meowington's cat toys. So I realized here that I don't love that I painted over the fish on the cat dish, so I'm going to use a little bit of Dr. P.H. Martin's Bleed Proof White to cover up the yellow, and then I'm going to glaze over the white with another color. The goal is for the fish and the little rectangle on the dish to look like they're popping out of the surface of the cat dish. I'm now going to use my Pigma Micron pen with a PN nib to nerve-wrackingly write in Fluffy Meowington on that cat dish. And oh boy, was that stressful. I wanted it centered, and I wanted it spelled correctly, and I wanted it legible, and I think I got it. Then I'm going to use the pen to add some just a little bit of nuggets of ink throughout the painting so that it's not just in one place. And now I'm going to write in the quote, "Can I come over tomorrow to pick up Fluffy Meowington's cat toys?" And that will be it. This was Season 2, Episode 7. Let me know in the comments what you think about this episode of Friends and my painting. Give me a like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends that also love the TV show Friends. Hit the bell for notifications of newly uploaded videos because the next episode will be out soon.